what is it like to have a Filipino friend? Who's your best friend here?
Best friend.
Your best friend?
Them.
James?
Yes.
Why James?
Yeah, best friend. Them.
Why James? Why not me? Because James is what? Hindi na ako Ashok, I have a challenge for you.
Huh?
I have a challenge for you.
Yeah. Yes, tell me.
You will say, ano ba yun eh?
Vlog bite.
You will say, this is my first vlog. You will say, ha, this is my first vlog, like that. Long, ha, until maybe 1 minute. If you can make it for 1 minute, I have a
That's why I love us you.
surprise for you.
Very
Yala,
James.
this is my first vlog, like that. Yala, start now. For 30 seconds. If you can make it for 30 seconds. Yala. Yes.
Okay na.